Okay, go ahead with this reel. And then to release the pressure, this is the first hose, the single point, and the other over the wing. Okay, so now we've got the hose out, and here on the EMR3, we're going to hit start. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you know what? Do you have a screwdriver on you? We have 2 reels out right now, so this is going to prevent, and these all have magnetic proximity sensors. The pumps will not kick on if you have 2 reels out at the same time. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, there's the pumps. And you can see we got PTO on, over wing number 1, and the bottom loading is open because we do have a single point for recirculation. A 5-gallon bucket, 3 gallons, and this just mirrors the display up on the Terra up top. Okay, and then we're going to switch it back to hose reel to get hydraulic power for the reel. Okay, we're going to do single point. Yeah, let's do the other over the wing. Okay. This guy came loose. Same thing on this one. All right. I think there's hang on. Oh, you know what it is? I think we had yeah, I think the fuel was basically filling into this. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, hold on one second. Let me close this valve. Yeah, so we are pumping over here on this guy. That'll just keep the pressure. It's about 40 pounds. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We're gonna clear it out and then start it again. Okay, go ahead. Did this come loose again? Now we're going to do single point. I'm going to go open the valve back up. Alright, so we got the pumps on. You see your pressure. dead man. Yeah, so in the beginning, it needs enough pressure to overcome the control valves. You have 2 inline control valves. Here, keep holding that. You got it? So we're at about 75, 80 gallon. So we're going to bring this over to the rear portion of the truck and test out the primary and secondary pre-check. You have 2 in line. These are to protect in the event of overfill, and this is how you test it. So right now we are flowing with about 20 pounds. We're going to test out the primary. And so you'll notice this is now open, and the moment you see the pressure begin to tick up, just let go. So it does take about 30 seconds. No, keep going, keep going. Yeah, because basically there's a tube inside that's filling up. There you go. Whoa. There you go. And that works. It shut off pressure. We're going to close it. It's going to relieve what fuel had accumulated in the tube. It's a little bowl. Okay, go ahead and pump. You'll be able to hear it open back up. There you go. And you'll see it come back down a little bit. So that control valve is working fine, and it opened up all the way again. Okay, now we're going to test out the other one. This is secondary, because there's always redundancy in aviation. So the moment you see it tick up, just let go of the dead man. Right there. That's good. So we're going to open it, or close it again rather, and just wait a little bit for the fuel to recede. Okay, hey, wait, hold on. Okay, go ahead and hit it again. Okay. There you go. Come back down to about 20, 25. There you go. You're fully opened up. Wow. Okay. We're just gonna hit stop or finish. We're gonna switch it over to hose reel. Okay. And we're gonna reel it back in. We need to obviously disconnect it. Yeah, I'll be right there. By the way, this is your bottom load indicator that came on earlier. Okay. Lights. Okay, PTO off. And truck off.